Look at the sales that all these stores have generated just by selling jigsaw puzzles. On average across stores in this category, the revenue is more than $30 million. This store, for example, has a monthly revenue of more than $600,000. And the best part is they just started not too long ago. Today, I will guide you on creating a similar business with the help of AI. Through this video, you will gain comprehensive insights, A to Z steps from the initial idea, to creating your products and finally the ultimate launch of your own business. Some of these stores have less than 100 puzzles and one particular store just started this in January 2023. In less than 1 year, they have a monthly revenue of more than $10,000. Most of the $10,000 monthly revenue from an online store is likely to be profit, as it typically incurs lower overhead costs than a physical store. All the examples I have shown you serve as an excellent illustration of how these kind of products can achieve success for numerous individuals, and it's not the only example. This specific listing, on its own, has generated over $50,000 in revenue. I will share more about this in this video, so keep watching because creating unique listings like this will help you stand out and make all that money. Selling jigsaw puzzles opens up infinite possibilities for achieving financial freedom and being your own boss. With many types of styles and themes available, ranging from simple to complex, beautiful landscapes to puzzles for children, the options are endless. At this point, you might be thinking that designing these puzzles require artistic talent and a high level of skill. In today's digital age, creating successful designs has become straightforward and involves just 2 easy steps. First, find a successful design and capture a screenshot. Secondly, use Midjourney AI, Describe, command to generate similar designs. By following the 2 steps I just mentioned, you will create winning designs such as this, and this. How amazing is that? In some instances, these versions may even be better than the original. Before we start selling jigsaw puzzles, it is very important to identify popular themes and trends. This involves examining best-selling items, current trends, and popular design choices based on consumer purchases. After identifying successful ideas, I will also guide you through various methods to transform these ideas into high-quality designs for manufacturing. So, let's get started on how to identify the winning designs for your new puzzle store. A fantastic method for identifying winning designs is to examine competitors' products on Etsy, with a particular focus on the best-selling items. Take a look at this puzzle. It's labeled as a bestseller, as this and this. The bestseller tag is a strong indicator that the product is performing exceptionally well. To confirm, you can open the listing and look for recent reviews. Additionally, observing that over 20 people have this product in their cart further solidifies the indication that there is significant interest in these designs. Another strategy to identify winning designs is to focus on products with a substantial number of reviews. They don't necessarily have to be bestsellers, but consistent and recent reviews are key indicators of a product's popularity. If you notice a product accumulating multiple reviews on the same day, it's a strong signal that it's selling exceptionally well. Another effective method is to check the review section for popular stores selling similar products. Sort the reviews by most recent, and observe which products are consistently receiving the most reviews. This approach provides a clear insight into what products people are actively purchasing. Once our winning designs are identified, it's time to proceed to the next step, which is design creation. You have several options in this regard, such as Midjourney AI, Bing, Leonardo AI and others. I am personally using Midjourney AI for this business venture of selling puzzles because the images generated are the best compared to the other AI tools. After we have created our winning designs, I'll introduce you to the unique listing I referred to earlier. This will set your products apart and could significantly increase your profits. Keep in mind that this listing alone generated more than $50,000. Now, let's get started with design creation. While Midjourney AI is a paid tool, remember that it is not as expensive as other tools and that you would be generating passive income from it in no time if you follow my steps carefully. You can also use Leonardo AI, which is free, and I will cover more on that in my future videos. Log in to Midjourney AI to start the design creation process. I am going to use this dog design as an example to show you how to create a winning design to make money. You need to make sure you have set the bot to version 6, the latest update. To recreate a design, you have 2 options, the Imagine prompt or the Describe option. Starting with the Imagine prompt, you will need to articulate a prompt that vividly describes your desired image.
It is important for your prompt to have a clear description of your image, the kind of style you are looking for, as well as any other useful information.
To help you with the prompt, you can always refer back to the Etsy listing. For example, the image description on Etsy mentions that it is a Blenheim Cavalier and the style reference is Starry Night. I can then use these information to write my prompt. I will also add 8K digital art and change the aspect ratio to 7:5 because this will give us a wider looking image instead of a square. Now look at the original image from Etsy versus the winning design you have just created yourself. See the difference? If you prefer not to create the prompt yourself, you can instead open the original Etsy listing and take a screenshot of the design. Now go back to Midjourney AI and select the Describe option. Upload the screenshot you took earlier and hit Enter. Midjourney will now generate 4 potential prompts that describe the image that you have uploaded. I have shown you 8 different types of prompts that was generated, all with one single screenshot. You can experiment with each one separately by clicking on the prompt number, or you can explore them all at once by selecting Imagine All. Midjourney AI will then generate 4 images for you for each prompt. Choose the one that appeals you the most, and with just a few clicks, you will be able to generate similar award-winning designs. Using the same steps mentioned above, you can also do the same for this listing on Etsy and create even greater looking designs such as all of these. After choosing the design that you want, you can enhance the quality using an image upscaler if needed. Now let's proceed to the final steps of manufacturing and publishing the product. If you've been curious about how to transform the design into an actual puzzle, the solution lies in using Printify. Here's a simple guide. Start by signing up for a free Printify account. Once registered, you gain access to various products. If you search for puzzles, you'll find the specific items we need right here. Before delving into manufacturing, it's crucial to link your Etsy store. It's a straightforward process. Navigate to My Store on the left, then add a new store. Printify seamlessly integrates with various platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and even TikTok. But for now, let's focus on Etsy. Click on Connect to Etsy, log into your Etsy store, and you'll be good to go. Now, return to the Products section and select the puzzle you want to sell. At this stage, upload the enhanced design we've generated and ensure it fits correctly. Choose the sizes you want to offer, whether 1, 2, or all options. These will be displayed as a drop-down menu. Click on Preview at the top to see the final product representation. Once satisfied, click Save Product to proceed to the last step. On this page, you have the opportunity to fine-tune your product information, including images, title, description, and pricing. If you would like to further improve the title and description, you can upload a screenshot of the design from Etsy onto ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write the title and description for you based on the reference of similar listings from Etsy. Now for the pricing, I recommend checking competitors for pricing insights. Adjust the retail price, which is the amount you'll sell the product for, and the profit will automatically be calculated. Once everything is set, click on Publish, and just like that, your puzzle is listed on Etsy. Remember, you can always revisit your Etsy store to edit product information, add tags, or include more images. When an order is placed, it seamlessly transfers to Printify. Let's say someone buys your puzzle for $35. Printify handles the printing and shipping for $15. You've just earned a $20 profit, all without worrying about inventory, printing, or shipping. So, before this video ends, as promised, I am going to share about special listings that generate more than $50,000. This listing is all about selling personalized puzzles, and this means your customer can get a puzzle of their loved ones, their favorite pet, or even a puzzle of a photo they took during a holiday. Personalized puzzles are flying off the shelves at an incredible rate and have high margins. Look at this and this. I hope this video helps you get started on making all that money you desire. Manifest. Work smarter with the help of AI, and I am sure you will succeed.